Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, like, share, comment, press the notification bell to all. This is Mukbang eating, okay? Subscribe, share it with your friend, your family. Follow me and enjoy this video. Thank you. So I'm going to use my hand. My husband will join me with this food. This is nice, delicious.
Viewers,
I'm taking it with juice. This is pineapple and banana juice.
viewers, I'm sorry to say, as a cameraman, I cannot continue this job any longer. I need to drop this camera and join the crew, okay?
This is nice. Go and watch this video. How I prepare this rice. It's on my YouTube channel. This is nice.
Viewers, I have to join the crew.
This is Mukbang. Asma.
Philip, come in.
See, Manuela is eating.
Philip, you don't want to take cucumber? Take.
This is rice, plantain, egg, cucumber, and fish.
Mackerel fish.
Mackerel fish and dry fish. Yes, you need some.
Water, juice.
Water. Okay. I'll bring water.
Take.
What do you want? You want to have problem? Get this one. Eat this.
Viewers,
This
is delicious. I'm stepping it down with the juice. Philip, you like cucumber? Take juice, take. Take water. Leah, the food is delicious. It's much. I like plantain.
This is spicy plantain.
Yes.
Watch out for my.
Watch out for the video how we prepared it.
The plantain. Spicy plantain.
In Ghana, they call it kelewele.
There are many times you feel not right, tossing and turning through the night. As the day goes by,
My baby like this juice.
but when the darkness turns to light,
Pineapple and banana juice.
nothing, honey, trust me, everything's gonna be okay.
Wow. I'm getting satisfied.
Yes. Nice. Subscribe for more. Share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all.
Viewers, subscribe. That red button, just click on it. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to all, so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first to be notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and with your loved ones and your families. Drop in the comment section what they call this kind of food in your language. Philip, what happened? That's how it Wow.
So viewers, as you see, I've backed my baby because I don't want it to be disturbing me, so that is why I park it for my back. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, press the notification bell to all. Bye.
Bye bye. Subscribe.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click that button right now.
Yeah.
Click it, click it, click it. Click it. Then turn on the notification bell to all. So that anytime we upload video, you will see the video, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones.
Bye.
Bye bye. Philip, say bye bye. Bye bye.